So do you feel lonely or lost in life even when people are with you? When you exist, but you don't live your life. Life does not have meaning to you anymore. You live on autopilot, robotic lifestyle, doing the same thing every day. You are not angry, you are not happy, a robotic lifestyle. That is the feeling of emptiness. Every one of us has that hole in us, that hole that needs to be filled. But don't think you are alone. Truth is, life is a unique experience of complicated emotions. And these emotions, they impact our mindset, motivation, and the quality of life that we live. It is normal for us to experience these strong emotions that sometimes leave us feeling that emptiness in us. No matter how successful, beautiful, well-to-do, educated that we are, sometimes we still feel that hole inside of us that need to be filled. So you are not alone. Every one of us has this hole in us. So this feeling of emptiness may be because of negative experience or situations that we have faced in life or lack of reflection. But you are not alone. This feeling of emptiness, it can be damaging to our well-being, both physically, mentally, and emotionally. That hole is in each and every one of us. It does not mean that you are unloved. It does not mean that you are not beautiful. It does not mean that you don't have money. No. But you have to realize that it is your duty. It is your responsibility to fill that hole. Don't let that feeling of emptiness reduce you to nothing. You have to take care of it. What are the things that are causing this emptiness? I tell you that the number one problem is lack of love. Are you the type that maybe you are waiting for others to show you love? No. Show other people love. Show love to others. You don't love yourself. It's time. You make it a point of duty to love yourself. So concentrate on that love. Every other thing is tied to that love. That love, that word, love. When you're able to love yourself, love other people, that feeling of emptiness will disappear. Try it. So love and attention can help us improve our self-esteem. So it's the lack of self-love that is always making you to feel that emptiness. When you love yourself, you take care of yourself, you give attention to yourself, you stop criticizing yourself, stop judging yourself, a lot of things will be made right in your life. Stop criticizing yourself, stop judging yourself, stop saying you are not good enough, stop saying something is wrong with you. Nothing is wrong with you. But that self-love is all that you need. So don't let this feeling of emptiness overwhelm you. Don't let this feeling of emptiness take over your life. Why do you feel empty? Maybe experience of the past, and you are still living in your past. Leave your past behind. You had a failed relationship, a failed marriage, divorce, and you think your life is tied to this, and you refuse to move on. It will keep you living in that emptiness. So it's time. It's time to move on. It's time to move forward. When you don't have a purpose in life, you are just living life. All these will cause you to feel that emptiness. Some people, because of this emptiness, they now, because of that hole inside of them, they are now looking for ways to fill this hole. You see, some people, they will end up being alcoholic. Some people, they will start engaging in drugs. Some people, they will start all this unhealthy lifestyle. Some people, they will start humanizing, and they think that will solve their problem. No, it will never solve that problem, because you will still go back to your problem. You will still go back to that emptiness. So what exactly is the problem? When you know the root cause of your emptiness, then it is time to fight it. There are some things that you can do that will help you fight that emptiness. So number one of such is you spend quality time with yourself. Stop that unhealthy lifestyle that you are living. All because of that hole inside of you. You involve in alcohol. You involve yourself in maybe watching television. You involve yourself in dating. You involve yourself doing drugs. All this will not stop that. But you have to focus on your passion. What is your passion? What is your dream? What do you want to do in life? Focus on yourself. Focus on what makes you happy. Focus on your desire. Focus on your dreams. And meditating on this can actually make you to be happy. Can actually make you to understand yourself more. Instead of living unhealthy lifestyle. Or because of that hope. Or because of that emptiness. So when you do this, it will help you to find meaning to your everyday life. Spend quality time with yourself. Number 2 is practice gratitude. Be grateful for life. Be grateful for what you have. Be grateful for who you are, what you have, no matter how small the things you have. No matter how small, be grateful. Appreciate what God has given you. And be thankful for all the things that you have achieved in life. So be thankful for who you are. And it will help you to come out of that emptiness. When you appreciate the little things, be sure that bigger ones will come. Number 3 is you practice self-love. Be kind to yourself. Love yourself. Take care of yourself. Stop being angry with yourself. Say positive things to yourself and take good care of yourself. So practice self-love. It will help you to overcome that emptiness. Place that value on yourself. Don't just live life anyhow, saying you are nobody. Be grateful. So number 4 is try a new thing. The place you are living, you try to change the look, or maybe you change your job, or maybe you change location of where you are living. Try a new thing. It will help you to reduce that emptiness. Number 5 is learn to be creative. Be creative. Learn to dance, learn to write, learn to draw, learn to paint. Focus on being creative, and it will help you to reduce that emptiness. When you put your focus on creating something, you will see that your attention will be diverted to that thing that you are creating. And when you come the next day, you will still see what you have created. So put all your energy in that craft. You will see you living a new life. You will see that hole inside of you getting smaller and smaller until it disappears. So redirect your energy into that craft, and you will see that emptiness will disappear. This is meditation. When you meditate, it will help you to improve your focus and your awareness. That is what meditation will do for you. You being present in the now of your life. That awareness will be there. You are not lost. So make it a point of duty to have that meditation, maybe 5 minutes, morning and the night, every day of your life. Keep doing it and you will see the results. Your life cannot remain the same. Face that problem head on. Meditate on the things that can make you happy. As a Christian, I meditate a lot. Yes, I find solace in the Bible. Every time that I feel that emptiness, I meditate on the Word of God, and I will surely come out stronger. It makes me to be stronger. It makes me to be better. And it makes me to live my life to the fullest. Because there are so many interesting verses in the Bible that can help you to feel that emptiness, that can help you to take away that emptiness from you, because you know who you are and why you are living. So make it a point of duty to meditate. Number 7 is you try making other people happy. Focus on making others happy. And that seed of love that you are sowing in them, while you are trying to make them happy, that emptiness in you will disappear. You seeing that joy in their faces, it will take away that emptiness in you. Try to live your life making other people happy. And number 8 is you seek the help of a professional. If you have tried all this and nothing is working, then seek the help of a therapist. That professional can help you to locate what the problem is and to find solution to your problem. So when you have done all these, you will see that one or two of them will help you to come out of that emptiness. But you have to love yourself. You have to love yourself. Love is the ultimate. Try doing exercise, instead of putting your energy in drinking and smoking, and you will still come back. Try changing your diet. It can help you to come out of that emptiness. Try to help yourself. Sleep well. All these can help you to come out of that emptiness. You are not alone, and you can do everything in your power. Don't say you cannot. Don't say I've tried everything and it's not working. It depends on you. You are the one that will make that choice. You are the one that will decide that that emptiness must go. That emptiness must go. And you will see that you will achieve what you desire. Take that bold step. I'm encouraging you today, and you'll be glad and happy that you did. I hope that these suggestions that I've made will help you to solve that problem and to come out of that emptiness, to reduce that hole inside of you and make you to live a better life. And if what I shared is what you want to see more of, please subscribe to my channel for more of these videos. And thanks for watching. Bye.